Hello and welcome to another video everyone. In this video we are going to change that boring theme of the PS4 jailbroken PS4s, jailbroken only, and I have also made a tutorial on how to download and install this. On the end of this video you can check it out, but if you only need the files you can go to the description of this video, go to my Telegram channel and download it for completely free, nothing, no payment, no ad, no nothing. And as a thank you, if you want to say thank you to me, just watch this video in the background. There are some themes that are going to play, and if you want any of those themes you can just tell me which one do you want and I will send it to you. And don't ask me why there is a cyberpunk theme on the Assassin's Creed folder, I have no idea. And this is the Batman, Superman. And the reason I have uploaded these files on my Telegram channel is to everyone to access them all around the world. I think everyone have access to the Telegram these days, but in some websites, for example, if I upload this on some websites, some people may not have access to them. I don't know. Tell me what you think on this. Should I continue uploading on the Telegram channel? All the good files will be there. I will try to upload one file at least every night. There is a lot of themes, a lot of games, missing games, and my goal is to find these games and bring it in this channel. Most of these games are jailbroken games, meaning you can only play it on the jailbroken PS4. PS4 jailbroken is the best console for gaming in my opinion. There is so much nostalgic games on it, and I'm trying to get my hands on the Silent Hill PT, the 213 version. I don't know how to get it yet. There is nothing on the internet, but some locals may have access to these files. I will try to find that game. By the way, the themes that are currently playing in the background, they are all available in the Telegram channel right now. You can get it now. Okay, done. This is the part 1 of these themes. This one that I'm going to show you now, they are not on the channel, but tell me if you want them, I will upload them there. There are so many, I couldn't just upload them in one go.
سفر بریز پیشم بی خبر اسیر رویاها میشم دوباره باز تنها میشم به شب میگم پیشم بمونه به باد میگم تا صبح بخونه از دیار یاری چرا میری تنها میذاری اگه فراموشم کنی ترک آغوشم کنی پرنده دریا میشم تو چنگ موج رها میشم به دل میگم خاموش بمونه میرم که هر کسی بدونه میرم به سوی اون دیاری که توش منو تنها نذاری.
For the installing part, you need to have a USB drive and change its format to the exFAT. So you can just check it. My USB drive is exFAT already, as you can see. If yours is not, you can just format it. Every time it will be deleted, of course. Click the format button and enable the quick format, and then go to the file system and select exFAT. For the allocated unit size, you can just let it be or select the default and then click start. It will ask you to delete everything. You will gonna press OK. In my case, I have the files already here, and note that you have to unzip these files and put it directly in the USB drive. No full subfolders, you have to put it directly in the USB. Unfortunately, I don't have access to my jailbroken PS4 yet. I gave it to my friend, borrowed it actually. It's easy, just turn on the PS4 and jailbroke it and connect the USB drive. Note that you have to use the Golden Hen packet installer to install this. You cannot use the PS4 Explorer and other apps like this to install. You have to go to the Golden Hen right there, packet installer, install the number 1 theme, and then install the number 2. The number 2 will ask you to, if you want to overwrite this theme, the theme already exists, and you're gonna press OK. After that, come to this theme folder and select the theme you want. Note that there is a lock on some themes. It's fake. Just press the theme and press OK. The lock is fake. Thanks for watching. Have a good time. See you later.